Here I'm gonna show you how to use various global surface water product in Google Earth Engines. In Google Earth Engine, we have various types of product. One of the most important that provides us with a big spatial resolutions is GRC products. If you come here, you can search their name. Well, you can see here various types of product available in Google Earth Engine for various types of water resources, including permanent, seasonal, and also they change from seasonal to permanent, permanent to seasonal, and also the availability of water for various months over a year. You can monitor and also model all of these uh, water resources over the study area that you are targeted. For the first one, we are going to analyze this product. As you can see, all of them are available from the year 1984 with a spatial resolution of 30 meters because they have generated based on various Landsat series images, as you can see here. Here you can see various types of the bands that they have, occurrence. You can see, and also their explanation, mean maximum unit, and also another band is for each month as considered as kind of, let's say, seasonal band that I show you in the first product that you can see here. Classification history, you can see here seasonal water, permanent water from again 1984 to the present. All of these products are based on Landsat series images with a spatial resolution of 30 meters that you can use them. Here I'm gonna show you how to all these products and how to categorize them in Google Earth engines. In order to do this, if you want, you can use a polygon in order to call your study area. You can use a geometry in order to draw the targeted study area that you want. Here, I'm gonna use a specific study area that we can find a lake, and also it change over the time. And in order to add this, I'm gonna use assets. In assets, I selected Lake Urmia Basin in northwest of Iran. that has a, let's say, significant change over the year, and we can monitor each change over the time. In order to do this, I'm gonna add the study to my screen. Maps Interactive provides this opportunity for you to add the study area to your screen. It's going to be zooming. The further process. In order to do this, we put a point, then use select. You can see here by pressing Ctrl and space, you can see a lot of options. provides a lot of information for you. If I go to my product, I'm going to show you in a good way. Here, past zero means no change. This means that from 19. Let me open it in a. Okay, here you can see. Class 0 means no chance. This means that the water was available from 1984 until the present time. Class 1 means permanent water that was existed from the past to the present time. The same thing, new permanent that added during the study period. For class 3, we have a lost permanence during these times, and also seasonal that shows all the water that changed from permanent to seasonal, or new seasonal we have here, and also we have a last seasonal. Also, I think most important part of this is related to these two, that in that case you can see the seasonal water that changed to permanent, and also the same the inverse for permanent to seasonals.